guys, it's Linda. Lara is not in the video today. Hello and Lynn, welcome back to our channel, and today it's just me. I'm doing another Christmas makeup tutorial. So this time I'm doing what I was planning on doing last time, which is like a Christmas light looking makeup. Yeah. I brought you in a little bit closer so you can see what is happening. And yeah, so let me know if you like this compared to the other one. It's better lighting though. Yes, I am sitting on the floor. But okay, so yeah, let's get on to the video. If I have a picture, I'll put it right here of what I'm trying to do. I did this makeup last year for Christmas time, and I thought it was really cute, and I want to recreate it this year. So, what you're going to want to do is prime your eyelids. I want to do on foundation. I just use a NYX glitter primer just because I ran out of my other primer. And with whatever brush you want to use, I'm using this one, just eyeshadow brush. So I'm using the Jam Shows mini palette this time again. I set my eyes with white. You don't have to, but I'm going to anyways because this primer is sticky. Okay. Once you've done that, you're going to put a light brown shade on your lid and a dark brown, like a little darker brown in your crease area. Oh, and it looks like I'm looking down my mirror right here. Okay, and the dark brown shade. And the dark brown shade on the bottom. Eyeliner time. As always, I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Ink liner, and you're just gonna do a yeah. So that's as close as they're going to get. Yeah, so now it's time for the Christmas light part. So this one's super easy. All you have to do is take your eyeliner, whatever eyeliner you decide to use. I think I like a liquid one, is a lot easier, but whatever you want to do, take it and just draw like kind of above your crease, but some of it can go into your crease of like kind of curly line. Yeah, like a just like a curly line. It can go towards your eyeliner if you want it to, I guess. But yeah, like, not a curly, like a wavy line. Yeah. Just like that. Kind of looks crazy right now. And then, wherever you're going to put your lights, a little tiny black tick, or yeah, whatever. Just so you can keep up with where they're going to be, up to you. So I have 8 on one eye and 9 on the other. Whatever. It's fine. But yeah. Just like this. Okay, there. Now I have 9 on each side. If I remember correctly, what I did last year was find a brush. Any brush will do. And use the end of it to, like, you know, make the light shape kind of, you know, this. Find your light shape and dot it there. Here, I'll use my other mirror if I can. Like that. Cute. Find a small tip brush. I'm gonna use this England. Like, I think, yeah, it's an eyebrow brush, you know. And you're gonna take whatever colors you want and, ooh, kind of fill in the white eyeshadow and kind of, so that it's not like super. Okay, we have our lights. I mean, we have white. And the white is just to make it like pop more. Okay, and now you're gonna choose your colors. So if I decide to do glitter, I have to kind of choose colors that will go with glitter. So I'm thinking green, red, blue, and yellow. I have gold. So kind of like, you can kind of count out like, yeah, you know. I'll start on the side and across. That's actually pretty cute. I'm gonna try and stick like a white dot in the middle. I think my favorite color is this blue, and I don't know why. I've never used it before. Okay, now I'm just gonna add little bits of sparkle. It doesn't have to be a bunch, just like a little bit. So if your glitter kind of gets everywhere, you can just take a clean eyeshadow brush and just like, you know. Okay, I'm gonna go over the eyeliner just a little bit to like touch up where there might be something on there. To my mascara, which is the Brooklyn & Bailey Lash Next Door. I really like it. It looks so good. Put on some lipstick, do my eyebrows, highlighter, come back and show you the finished product. Thanks so much for watching. I totally forgot to do like the overall makeup look, and this is the next day. I redid the makeup look and I added on the bottom eyeshadow red, yellow, green, blue, and yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a video. It's Vlogmas Day 7, I believe, and yeah. Let us know, as always, if you have any video ideas so we can add to our list of videos to do. And yeah, be on the lookout. We are doing a parade video, I know, and then maybe a photo shoot video, like a behind the scenes / church video. So yeah, bye!